Somebody ring a funeral bell. Kill from A down to Z. Them fuck with a real man.
What and pass? You see man kill from A down to Z. The man have blood the whole bomber belt alphabet. I don't know about that. Boom! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Now we're here with another Saint Kitts reaction phone. Yes, people. Yes, we know. We've been slacking. It's kind of hard to find Saint Kitts song for reactor. That's the thing, though. You didn't mean say, but guess what? We'll find another one. You didn't mean say, we'll find another one. I want to name iMark. Listen me here. Throw them in. Official video. Yes, somebody recommend it. You didn't mean say, so we're going to see what go on. We're going to see what go on. Tear up the like button, comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post, and we'll post every single day, numerous times for the day. So drop the comment them right now. Drop the fire emoji them. Drop the flag them. Anyone forward from anywhere you watch a video from, drop it. You see me say, big up, comment, big up your country, anywhere you want, big up. You go see maybe them you play seat in the next video. So say big up over Jamaica, big up over St. Lucia, big up over this. Just comment it down below. Anything you can drop it in the comment section, and you go see it over this in the next video I'm gonna post. You did me and say, yeah. You're just there. I see some people start to use lighter dog. That thing was a party. But yeah, you did me I say, let's comment the thing them. Because who have gone for the song still. Run tune.
You have a problem with
what they mean, Stainless Records.
Yeah, me I say no.
Starring Father
Skull say
Bird.
me fi kill the whole of them.
What?
Yeah. So, me decide if we put the whole of them in a one big casket.
Bumbo.
We could fit in all of them
So
bumbo.
basically, man say I got blood everything, you know. Everybody, you know, one time in a one song, you know. Make us see where you're going with them, no man. Are you them call iMark, you know? Are you a bad man, you know? Are you a friend who like how Tamale did, you know? Go on then, no man.
Father, honey pandy, rifle shot and beat pandy.
Yeah.
The pussy them get candy. Somebody ring a funeral bell. Kill from A down to Z. Them fuck with a real man.
What and pass? You see man kill from A down to Z. The man have blood the whole bomber belt alphabet. I don't know about that. The whole alphabet, the man say I got blood. The man say Capash go fall upon them. The whole alphabet, the man just blood a while ago. Capash go fuck. Go on then, no man.
So anyway, me see them here turn it down.
Yeah, turn on that.
Hey Rodney, that's how me started.
Yeah.
Me I go kill the one me feel side man the smartest. Them want test me, them better take class.
Sure.
Show show subliminal. This is what they got.
Man just tell no low key that style and pattern. You can't test him. You better go take classes. All them boy ya. Go on.
I says you, people feed dead, not play with me head. Rifle shot, you play to
Yeah.
death. Poach team, take it to them. Bust it up, young poach. All of me son them come and them a run go. Hey. I saw the deck a shuffle, I saw me kill a couple. Arm and hammer egg. On them come and them a run go.
I want shuffle.
Hey. I saw the deck a shuffle.
Yeah.
I saw me kill a couple.
So once the girl will see them, you know. You know, say my eye, once me see one girl, me see her. A little girl, me see her. Once one girl in the video, I need to blend my blood class for a while. I go to blood clean. But once one girl there, me see. I have to look good a while ago, I said, what go on? I don't me say a while ago now. What go on? Go on, do but make a show.
I'm an hammer AK full of muscle.
Yeah.
And if you fuck with one, you have to fuck with all rifle them tag. Bust it hardball, running pandy.
Capash shot and
beat pandy.
Alright then.
Pussy them get candy. Somebody ring a funeral bell. Kill from A down to Z.
What
Them
alphabet?
fuck with a real mad head.
Yeah.
So anyway, me see them here turn it down. Talk to who? Me nah no blood clot case. Me done there for long time. The rifle a place.
See
Me
them
don't
telling
tell
me
me
that.
that
Man
she
just give me the spot at Tamale by there. I think I will show them the reactor. State the seat there. Eradication. Me say, brother, that video there me afraid. Me say, me did afraid, dad. Me think I want yo. You know you watch scary movie? You know when you watch scary movie?
Say GPS can right now hilarious. Me know say me must die.
Boom, make up over
But them
there.
a dead before me. To God be the glory. Them already know me. So much a untold story. Hey, no shit, me left your face cushy. The whole Saint Kitts don't know you as a pussy.
See?
True story, I say
I like the
when you
part.
left to
A
see.
people mash up that mash up so. I clash, you see them thing and that, I see some song like I say some man a diss up some man nice song then dog and I say Bumbuckle Bell dog. We should have already reaction the time when the clash should have go on, cause you know so the reaction them would have been priceless reactions them time they in a youth. Go on do.
Like a fight me a crumble the cookie. GVMG just full of little rookie. I try tangle up my foot, me just swang. Catch all of them together. Mass murder left we play a shook.
There?
Running party. I for shot a beat pandy. The pussy them get candy. Somebody ring a funeral day.
Make them know.
Kill for me don't pussy.
Hold on, pause. Intermission Bumbuckle Bell time. You see right now, people, we see August the 28th, the last Friday in this year. I want everybody tune in for my Instagram live. I go blood that boy. You hear me? I say right now we have a clash. It's Trinidad versus Jamaican dancehall. You want clash the reaction boss, people. The reaction boss. We get the fact that he's a DJ and think it's me say the radio station and think, well, guess what? I'm the reaction boss at the end of this, so you're going to get buried. He's going to play only Trinidad song, me go play only Jamaican song. You hear me say? And I don't know, so when me win, that change the whole Caribbean. So anyone who thinks they're better than me and better than me, but hell, if you don't mind, just in a war, not once. Never boost up a little fish in the war, never fish in the war tracks, man. Youth! I be a boxer, youth! Yo, run Bumbuckle, we're still in 28th of August, people, on Instagram. Me go blood that boy. Run tune.
Them fuck with a real mad head.
Yeah.
So anyway, me see them here turn it on.
Me too, so the intermission song done. Hey, what the young?
Bury them.
Yeah.
Capacity. Run no Philly. Tux Mansion D Block. Up City.
To be continued. Yes, sir. That's right. Move around. Thank you for checking out the video, guys. It's been a boy, Tyreek Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Peace out. No, me not gone it. I want to make sure, so I want to make sure I told you guys remember. Say, yo, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Remember, Instagram live August 28th. Close out the summer. Tyreek Vlogs. Out the TV. The baddest clash. You see me I say? The baddest thing on Instagram. The last Friday in the summer, people. Don't miss it. Make it a date and don't be late. The crowd decides who win. And you know so the Reaction Boss want the full support. We can also be it. Trinidad people are going to be on the live. So I try to get as much people. Don't fall from Trinidad on the live. So anyway, they come from on the live. Except Trinidad. You see me I try to say? Because most of Trinidad is going to be on the live. And I try to get Jamaican, I try to get Guyana, I try to get Grenada, I try to get St. Kitts, I try to get everywhere on the live. So make sure say you the on the live. Make sure you tune in. August 28th. Last Friday. 11 o'clock Trinidad time. That's 10 o'clock Jamaica time in the night, you know. So you don't have time. You can't say, yo, I'm busy. Make sure you're dead there on top on the eyelash. You see me I say? Make sure you're dead there. You hear me? Make sure you're dead there. Dead there. You go there? No, you go there? You sure? No, you go there? Tell a friend for there too. And I want BFI emoji in the comment section on live, you know. BFI emoji, you know. Comment say boom, bye. Hey.